Hello everyone. Today I start a new journey with this channel. This is my channel and I remove every previous videos from this channel because I want to create a new thing which is a new identity and a new beginning of a new journey. Okay. So in now we are trying to explore the OOPS in Python. Okay, the OOPS it is object-oriented programming. The object-oriented programming is looks like difficult, but it's actually the object. Okay, object means which is actually we can relate within our natural or analogous aspect or the analogous world. In everything we are treated as like an object. So in Python, we are try to write Hello World program by using this object-oriented programming. In this object-oriented programming, we are actually I try to write it at first in advance because I don't want to waste your time. Just focus on it. This is the main structure or the scenario of the object-oriented programming. So now follow my cursor. This is the class Hello World. This class Hello World is actually the concept of class. Okay, this is the class Hello World is the class which I specify as Hello World is the class. Next, this line, this depth space two underscore underscore double underscore init underscore underscore cell. This this much is actually the constructor. Okay, this line is actually the constructor. Okay, and I also write it here constructor. Constructor that actually initialize the object attribute. That is use of constructor. Means in nowadays the constructor in our real estate they actually initialize the object. Okay, initialize the material. Here the same thing used by this constructor. This is the Python program. This is actually the constructor. Def space underscore underscore unit. This is the constructor. Now this is the self message. Self message is the instant attribute. Instant attribute means this data stored on the individual object. This hello world actually stored inside this self message. This is the attribute. Okay, instance attribute. Okay, this hello world stored in this the instant attribute. Sometime like the constructor order something from someone and they have to provide you the goods from the godowns and the storage or the store. This is one kind of thing in this Python world. Self.message contain hello world. Okay. Now the next thing is that instantiation. Okay. This is the instantiation. When the compiler read this program, it jumps toward the instantiation. This is a greater hello world. Okay. This is the greater hello world. This is the triggers the object creation. Okay, this actually triggers the object creation. Means in nowadays the money is the one kind of thing we can exchange it by using different kinds of object transportation and the exchange of objects. Imagine now this greater is one kind of money who actually means provide the pathway between the object and the instance. Okay, between the instant attribute constructor and the class. Okay, this is the instantiation. Okay, after the instant attribute is known as the instantiation. Then after the instantiation it have to call it again or the acknowledgement one kind of. After the instantiation these actually acknowledged one kind of acknowledgement is there. Means it's actually the method call in the Python world. Okay, I try to simplify it again. This is actually the method call in Python world, and in for our analogous aspect is looks as the acknowledgement. I receive the money. You may clear the all kinds of goods words he actually need. Okay, this is actually the acknowledgement type or the method called. And the next thing after the method called, this actually return to the main program and this print the hello world. Okay, this print the hello world. If I remove the comma from here, this look like this. If I means this word will be print at the output of the terminal. If I run it, this is the hello world. And if I put the comma in here, this is the with comma. Okay, here the output print with comma. Means this is the one kind of container which we are using by the help of this structured way. This is the beauty of the object oriented programming. So I actually try to make object oriented programming as much as possible from my side. Okay, thank you.